FranUnite provides a free video series for the potential franchise buyer entitled 20 Things You Need to Know Before You Buy a Franchise. The question that we're addressing with this video is buying a franchise a wise investment in this economy? Most economists predict that the government's economic strategies will lead to high inflation and devaluation of the dollar. Continued high unemployment and slow economic growth are expected for the foreseeable future. If those predictions are accurate, buying a franchise business now is one of the best investments that you could make. Many who have lost their jobs have simply given up on finding another. Those who are still employed know that job security is a thing of the past. Although owning a franchise does not guarantee income or security, it certainly places the franchise owner much more in control of his own destiny and is much less risky than most non-franchised new ventures. But what about that nest egg that you've been building? Is building a franchise a wise place to invest right now? Let's consider your alternatives. Most people would agree that the stock market today is a high-risk investment. Real estate might seem enticing because of current low prices. However, most experts believe that we still may see further decline and that it will be several years before we see any appreciation. Commodities like gold, silver, and oil tend to do well when the stock market declines. However, they are very volatile and unpredictable. There is always the option of hiding your money under the mattress. Unfortunately, not only will it not make any money for you there, but it is quite likely that its purchasing power will be diminished substantially over the next few years. After considering the options available, buying a franchise now may be one of your best opportunities to leverage the value of your nest egg before its value is seriously eroded by high inflation or market volatility. Now is a great time to pay your franchise business startup costs, such as building space, equipment, supplies, labor, and potentially even franchise fees before inflation drives their cost up, and while they're feeling intense market pressure to lower costs. Buying a franchise now will position you well for the next wave of economic growth as it unfolds. If the anticipated high inflation is a reality, one would expect the value of your franchise business to increase in sync with the rate of inflation, exclusive of the added value you will create by growing the business. Your bias of which direction the economy will take should influence your choice of what types of franchises to consider. Some will perform better than others during economic downturns. For example, during a difficult economy, people will tend to hang onto their cars longer, making an auto repair or auto parts franchise attractive. Lower-priced retail, food, and services also benefit from a tight economy, while costly items of luxury will not do as well. Many essential services and products such as tax preparation, elderly care, and child education tend to be recession-proof. Don't let the current uncertain economy derail your pursuit of a franchise business, but do move ahead with prudence and with sensitivity to how the economy will affect the business before you make your final selection. Helping you determine if buying a franchise is a wise investment for you in this economy is one of the free services provided by FranUnite. If you would like to speak to a FranUnite consultant, please contact us at info@franunite.com or call us at 1-888-830-3025.